I already heard that you could like kill someone only with your jaw, like with biting someone. So that's kind of...
You bite someone to death?
Yeah, I wouldn't try, but...
All right, guys, we are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatti. We are here today at the world-famous Griffith Observatory. But let's see how much they know about health. All right, ma'am, what is your name and where are you from?
My name is Clémence and I'm from Quebec, Canada.
My name is Holly Parker. I'm from Seaside, California.
Hollywood, right here.
That's right.
My name is Shariat Tanvir. I'm from Michigan.
So am I, my brother. Michigan man. All right, Hollywood, you feeling confident?
I hope so. I think so.
Here we go. Okay. When your diaphragm spasms, it causes what? Is it A, stomach pain, B, hiccups, or C, trouble breathing?
I would say hiccups.
Diaphragm spasms. Probably trouble breathing. See?
Ding, ding, ding. 1 for 1. It's actually B, hiccups.
Oh, I already lost.
No.
Ding, ding.
Is that?
At least I'm learning.
So it's a win-win, you know what I mean?
Exactly. It's a
You don't
win-win.
get cash, you get knowledge.
Yeah,
You know,
that's what I need.
Hiccups are very common, and did you know that they've been observed in utero? So, when a baby's in a woman's belly.
Whoa.
Baby hiccups.
Oh my goodness. Never knew that.
We're going to turn it up a little bit, though.
Sure, go ahead.
What disease used to be known as consumption? Is it A, tuberculosis, B, typhus, or C, mumps?
My goodness. Consumption? You guys are really...
Is it mumps?
I would say C.
Okay, I'm rolling with C's again, so C, mumps.
That's been the one everyone's been going with, is the mumps. Yeah, everybody thinks, I kind of think it makes it. This one's tuberculosis. It's A.
Tuberculosis.
It is A, tuberculosis.
Sure, I had that in mind. But it's okay, no worries.
No worries. I like it.
I'm not a doctor. I'm just trying my best. Go ahead.
This one I didn't know. This blew my mind. Tuberculosis was called consumption because of the weight loss associated with it. So people felt like it was their body eating itself from the inside out. They found evidence of tuberculosis on mummies. We'll see if you can, maybe we can get a couple
Yeah,
right.
what are you? I gotta leave here with one right.
That's right. All right. Last one. Which human muscle exerts the most force? Is it A, the gluteus maximus, B, the latissimus dorsi, or C, the masseter?
I forgot the full word, but it says gluteus something. Yes?
Gluteus maximus?
B.
Let's see. Gluteus maximus, I'm leaning towards because I have a large one. So I'm going to go with the latissimus dorsi. I think that's something with your shoulders. Massum sounds massive, so I'm going to go with C.
Ding, ding, ding!
Woo! My C answer finally hit!
Unfortunately, the answer is C, the masseter. Do you know what the masseter is? The masseter is the jaw.
But I knew that the jaw was really strong, but I didn't know it was the strongest one. I already heard that you could like kill someone only with your jaw, like with biting someone. So that's kind of...
You could bite someone to death?
Yeah, I wouldn't try, but...
This has been great.
I love it.
Thank you so much, you guys.
Thank you so much. You killed
I appreciate it.
Thank you, Dherbs. I just did the Street Smart Challenge, and it was great. It was a good experience.
So my name is Clémence. I just did the Street Smart Challenge, and thank you to Dherbs.
Hello, everyone. My name is Holly, and I just did the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you so much, Dherbs. I learned so much this morning.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rachid. Unfortunately, we didn't have any winners today, but we will be back again next week with another episode and see if we hand out any money. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.